That's okay.
Oh, you want the cake? This one?
Go swim.
This one a cake. Honey, ano yung may ulo niya na untog eh. Dito sa likod, dito sa likod.
I make goggles by myself.
What?
Oh,
My goggles.
Oh, siya na, oh, siya na, oh. Siya na last na.
My goggles. Daddy's fork.
Paano na mag-swim, Shana? How do you swim? Ay, you don't know pala how to swim. You're just standing up eh. You're just standing up pala. You don't know pala eh. Way to go, Macy. That's good. Come on, come on. Oh, runong din ah.
I did it. You guys and then you goggles there on it. See? You goggles me. There's one on the head. You can wear your goggles then. You don't need to like that. And then? Saving goggles. Ay, nako. Daddy!
How do you do the floating again? How do you do the floating?
Yes.
The one lying down? The one like lying down?
Like that?
Yes. More, more. How do you do that again? The one lying down?